my channel. I'm your girl favorite Sweet Pea Faith, and I'll be doing my first video on my brand new Singer sewing machine. So guess what, guys? I am a working mom, going to school, and I had some spare times at hand. So I thought, what could I do with this time? I decided to buy a sewing machine. So here's it. I did some review and I got the Singer heavy duty sewing machine. Now this guy is equipped with some, they said it has some accessories, free accessories inside. So I'm going to do my first video, as stated before, by unboxing this thing to show you what is inside, and I'm going to do a test run on maybe 3 samples of material that this machine can sew. It says that it's an heavy duty machine. I was thinking about materials like leather or denim, but so far I only have denim. I don't have any leather. I couldn't find any leather anywhere. Well, I could have bought a sample, but I didn't buy the sample. So I found in my home cotton, denim, and maybe a sample of polyester. So take a look. Please remember to share, like, and subscribe. So here we go. Time for the unboxing. Oops, lazy. Ready to open? So I'm going to take this bad boy out of the box. And here we have the free accessories. We have a cover for the machine, and I'm going to unfold it. That was difficult. And we have the pedal control, and this is it, the Singer heavy duty sewing machine. I think I like how it looks. It is the Singer heavy duty sewing machine 4423. It has a professional feature for easy sew, and it sews at 1,100 stitches per minute. It has a heavy duty metal frame, and it also has a stainless steel bed plate. Again, it has 23 stitches. It has the 6 essential stitches, 4 stretch stitches, 12 decorative stitches, and 1 fully automatic 1-step buttonhole stitch. There's also a stitch guide inside. That's it. So there you have it. I did the test run on the 3 samples of material. I did a test run on the cotton. The cotton was 4 layers. I stopped at 4 layers for the cotton. For the denim, I had an issue with the denim. The needle broke for the denim, or it bent. It didn't break. It bent, so what I did it over again, and I did it slowly. I sewed it slowly, and it went through the denim. So it actually sewed the denim. 8 layers of the denim. And for the polyester, I did 12 layers of the polyester. So there you have it again. The Singer Heavy Duty 4423 gets a thumbs up from me. Thank you for watching.